Well, as we anticipate the snow later this week, Marielle and I were just reminiscing about past snowfalls because it happens so rarely here. You have fond memories of when it happened. I was saying 2012, the only time that I've experienced a white Christmas when it snowed on Christmas Day. You were saying you remember building a snowman in
2010, February of 2010. We received record snowfall, just over 12 inches at DFW.
All right, we want everyone to be careful, but we know that this snowfall, a chance to make memories, make snowmen.
I know, and I was mentioning in the last half hour, this kind of snow, as it looks now, is the wet kind of snow. So it, you can form snowmen and you can form snowballs, and it'll be a fun kind of snow
fights,
as long as
yes.
you stay off the roads.
Yes.
Okay, let's go ahead and take a look here because we do have weather alert days. Thursday and Friday, your WFAA team has discussed this, and this is what we're saying Thursday through Friday morning. Our impact is snow, accumulating snow, 3 to 6 inches looking very likely. The 6 inches closer towards the Red River. And here's what you need to do for now. This will change. Prepare for hazardous travel. Slick and snow-covered roads are looking more and more likely, and you want to pay attention to the forecast. Model runs are starting to do something where they're bringing in drier air, and that could eventually change our snow totals. So pay close attention. But here's what we're thinking as of now. We do have a winter storm watch. It does include DFW towards the Red River, a big portion of North Texas, for Wednesday night through Friday afternoon because of that accumulating snow, more so north of Interstate 20. So towards the south, we are looking at sleet mixing in with snow. This is going to significantly impact our snow totals. It'll lower them. So we're looking at about an inch. For the rest of North Texas, 3 to 5 inches of snow, not completely ruled out. And the highest totals look to be a pocket just north of DFW, closer to the Red River, where we could see up to 6 inches of snow possible. And here's the big thing that's going to determine that. It's this big area of low pressure. That's our winter storm. The track of it will significantly impact our snow totals. But right now, the current track still keeps it favorable for wintry weather in North Texas. But if it slows down, or if it moves north, that's going to allow warmer air in, and that means less snow for us. But right now, it does look like we could see some snow, mainly across the north. So if you're in Waco or South Central Texas, we're looking at mainly rain. We're looking at mainly snow north of Interstate 20, but where those two meet, it's called a transition area. And this is where we could see a mix of sleet with rain. I don't have freezing rain in the forecast, so sleet mixing in with rain. And this is where we could see significant differences in accumulations. But right now it looks like Wednesday night we'll see some flurries to the west. This is around 5 in the morning on Thursday. We start to see a few flurries across Tarrant County and some winter precip south of DFW. This is through Thursday morning. That's around noon now. You see that snow transition mainly north of Interstate 20. And as we head towards the afternoon, you keep seeing that snow across DFW and towards the northeast with the transition or the mix just to the south of us and rain in central Texas. This continues through Thursday evening and it tapers off Friday throughout the morning from west to east. Now, if this was a little bit too fast, we do have this posted on WFAA Plus. Be sure to join us on there. I have a longer version of this news of this forecast on WFAA Plus. So snowfall again, 3 to 5 inches, not completely ruled out, but with a pocket of slightly higher amounts towards the Red River. And we are looking at temperatures. They're still going to be in the 20s in like several mornings. We do warm up just a tad this afternoon and tomorrow, but then after that, we're staying in the 30s on Thursday, and we finally climb up into the 40s on Saturday and Sunday with drier weather. We'll be back.